Before we get started with class, I wanted to ask you a simple question. True or false? Every business is a technology business. Now, I want you to think about that for a second. Every business is a technology business. True or false? If you say, does every business create or sell technology? Then the answer is no. But if you say every business needs to use technology, then the answer is yes. Today, every business needs to use technology. What does that mean for you or me? Well, what that means is that we need to become what I call a TechAdaptist. A TechAdaptist is an individual who is comfortable using various forms of technology, from hardware like cell phones, computers, smart devices, your watch, to the software that powers those devices. Just think about this. In the last few months, have you downloaded a new app on your phone? Or have you upgraded hardware, got a new computer, a new watch, or a new cell phone? Okay. Are you comfortable using the apps on your phone or moving from one app to another app? So a TechAdaptist is someone who is comfortable using various forms of technology, the hardware and the software. To be a TechAdaptist does not mean that you're a professional in the world of technology. Doesn't mean that you're a coder or that you're writing algorithms or that you're all of this in the world of technology. All it means is that you are comfortable using technology. And what sets a TechAdaptist apart is their adaptability, where they can quickly and easily learn and adjust, to the new technology advancements that we're having, whether it's in hardware or software, because they're coming. Can you easily put on, a VR headset, or you're using a drone, or are you comfortable with the new app on your phone? A TechAdaptist is their ability to adapt quickly and easily. Again, you don't have to be a coder. You don't have to be a software engineer. We're talking about the users of the technology, both the software and the hardware. And in this class, we're going to teach you how to use Excel, Tableau, and AI. Now, what I don't want you to do is don't freak out. Don't stress out too much. Don't go, I don't know how to use these, because school is where we're going to teach you how to become comfortable using these technologies. Now, this is the place where you get to mess up, make mistakes, try again, and just prepare. So I don't want you to stress out. I don't want you to freak out. I don't want you to say, I've never even heard of Tableau. I don't know how to use AI. I've tried using Excel before in the past. Don't worry about any of that, because we're going to start from the beginning and help you to become comfortable using these technologies. So, let's get started on a great semester.